Imagine yourself snacking on a crisp apple cinnamon protein bar, or maybe a savory chickpea salad, all homemade, all healthy. Picture the sweet, tangy taste of a Greek yogurt parfait, the comforting crunch of banana oat cookies, or the fiery kick of spicy roasted chickpeas. These are not just snacks, they are your passport to a healthier lifestyle, nourishing your body with high-protein goodness that won't break the bank. Stay tuned to uncover the secret to these easy, cost-effective, high-protein snacks. First up, apple cinnamon protein bars, a fantastic on-the-go snack. To make these delicious bars, you'll need a handful of simple, wholesome ingredients. Start with 1 cup of dried apples, which are not only rich in fiber, but also high in antioxidants. Next, you'll need half a cup of protein powder. This is where the magic happens, as protein powder is a great source of, you guessed it, protein. It helps to keep you full and satisfied, making these bars the perfect snack when you're on the move. You'll also need a 1/4 cup of honey, which will add a touch of natural sweetness. Honey is also a natural energy booster, perfect for those mid-afternoon slumps. Then add in a 1/4 cup of almond butter. Almonds are packed with good fats and even more protein, making them a great addition to these bars. Now, for the star of the show, cinnamon. Just a teaspoon is enough to add that warm, comforting flavor that makes these bars irresistible. Plus, cinnamon is known to have anti-inflammatory properties and is high in antioxidants. To bind everything together, we'll use 1 cup of oat flour. Oats are not only high in fiber and protein, but they also contain important vitamins and minerals. Now let's get to the fun part, making the bars. Start by blending the dried apples in a food processor until they're finely chopped. Then, in a large bowl, combine the apple pieces with the protein powder, honey, almond butter, cinnamon, and oat flour. Mix everything together until a dough forms. Press this dough into a lined baking dish and let it chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Once it's nice and firm, cut it into bars. And there you have it, delicious protein-packed apple cinnamon bars. Each bar contains a good amount of protein, making them an ideal snack for anyone looking to add some extra protein into their diet. Plus, they're incredibly tasty, so you won't feel like you're missing out on anything. And there you have it, delicious protein-packed apple cinnamon bars. Next, we dive into a bowl of fresh and savory chickpea salad. Isn't it amazing how something as simple as a salad can pack such a protein punch? Let's break it down. We're starting off with the star of our show, chickpeas. Not only are they high in protein, but they're also a fantastic source of fiber and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now, if you're using canned chickpeas, make sure to rinse and drain them well to remove any excess sodium. If you're using dried chickpeas, remember to soak them overnight and then boil them until they're tender. Moving on, we'll need some fresh veggies. We're going with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion for a vibrant mix of colors and flavors. Chop these up into bite-sized pieces and set them aside. Now let's talk dressing. We're keeping it simple yet flavorful with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a mix of spices including cumin, coriander, and a dash of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Whisk these together and set aside. Time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, combine the chickpeas and chopped veggies. Pour over the dressing and give it a good mix. Let the salad sit for a bit to let the flavors meld together. While it's resting, chop up some fresh parsley and sprinkle it on top just before serving. The parsley not only adds a pop of color, but also a fresh, herby flavor that complements the savory elements. And there you have it, a protein-packed chickpea salad that's not just delicious, but also super easy to whip up. This salad is perfect as a standalone meal or as a side dish. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can add in other veggies you like, swap out the spices, or even add some feta cheese for an extra layer of flavor. And remember, this isn't just about making a tasty salad. This is about creating a healthy, protein-rich meal that supports your body and keeps you feeling energized. Your chickpea salad is ready to be devoured. Moving on to a sweet delight, the Greek yogurt parfait. Let's dive straight into this delightful recipe, which is as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. We start with the star of the show, Greek yogurt. Known for its high protein content, Greek yogurt is a fantastic base for our parfait. It's creamy, tangy, and packed with probiotics that promote gut health. Next, we add a layer of granola. While you can use any granola of your choice, opting for a homemade or low-sugar variety can help keep this treat on the healthier side. The granola introduces a delightful crunch and fiber into our parfait. Following that, we'll add a layer of fresh fruits. Berries in particular are an excellent choice. They add vibrant colors, a burst of natural sweetness, and a ton of antioxidants. You can also experiment with different fruits based on what's in season. Here's where the fun part comes in. We repeat these layers until our glass or jar is filled to the brim. The alternating layers of creamy Greek yogurt, crunchy granola, and juicy fruits create a variety of textures and flavors that make every spoonful exciting. To finish off, we'll top our parfait with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of chia seeds. These add an extra touch of sweetness and a boost of omega-3 fatty acids. This Greek yogurt parfait is a balanced fusion of protein, fiber, and natural sugars, making it a perfect snack or breakfast option. And voila, a sweet and healthy Greek yogurt parfait. Now let's shift gears to a warm, comforting snack, banana oat cookies. Imagine sinking your teeth into a soft, chewy cookie, and then realizing that it's not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy. That's the magic of these banana oat cookies. They're packed with natural sweetness from ripe bananas, heartiness from rolled oats, and an extra protein kick from your choice of protein powder. The ingredients you'll need are as simple as they are wholesome. You'll need 2 ripe bananas, a cup of rolled oats, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, a dash of cinnamon, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for that little extra crunch. To prepare these cookies, start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's warming up, mash your bananas in a large bowl until they're smooth. Then, add your oats, protein powder, cinnamon, and chia seeds. Mix everything together until you've got a thick, sticky dough. Next, drop spoonfuls of the dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You can make them as big or as small as you like, but remember that they'll spread a little as they bake. Pop your cookies into the oven and let them bake for about 15 minutes or until they're firm and golden. Be sure to keep an eye on them, as they can go from perfectly baked to slightly too toasty in a matter of minutes. Once they're done, let them cool for a bit on the baking sheet, and then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. But don't wait too long to enjoy them, as these cookies are best enjoyed warm. These banana oat cookies are more than just a tasty treat. They're a source of slow-releasing carbohydrates from the oats, which provide long-lasting energy. The bananas offer a healthy dose of potassium, and the protein powder gives you a protein boost to keep you feeling full and satisfied. So, the next time you're in need of a healthful snack that also satisfies your sweet tooth, whip up a batch of these banana oat cookies. They're easy to make, delicious to eat, and great for your body. Enjoy your warm, protein-rich banana oat cookies. Last but not least, spicy roasted chickpeas, a crunchy delight. Let's dive right in. To make this tantalizing snack, you'll need a can of chickpeas, some olive oil, and a blend of your favorite spices. I'm partial to a combination of smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, and a dash of sea salt, but feel free to experiment and make it your own. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, drain and rinse your chickpeas. Pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. The drier, the better for that ultimate crunch. Toss them in a bowl with a tablespoon of olive oil and your spice mix. Make sure every chickpea is well coated. Spread your chickpeas out on a baking sheet. Pop them in the oven and let them roast for about 20 to 25 minutes. Give them a good shake every 10 minutes to ensure they roast evenly. These little gems are not just delicious, they're also packed with protein. 1 cup of chickpeas contains about 15 grams of protein, making these a great snack option for those who want to increase their protein intake. And there you have it, a simple, cost-effective snack that's not only high in protein but also rich in fiber and low in fat. Have them as a midday snack or sprinkle them on your salads for an added crunch. Your crunchy, spicy, protein-packed chickpeas are ready to munch. There you go, 5 easy, cost-effective, and protein-rich snacks. From the sweet allure of apple cinnamon protein bars and banana oat cookies, to the savory goodness of chickpea salad and spicy roasted chickpeas. Not forgetting the refreshing Greek yogurt parfait, each one packed with nutrients to fuel your day. Remember, these aren't just snacks, they're small steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, good health starts in the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. Happy snacking!